I want to talk about why today. Why internal audit isn't the enemy. Let's clear something up right away. If your team hides information from audit, something is broken. And I don't mean the process, I mean the relationship. Look, we are not here to hunt you or make you feel bad. We are not your enemy, unless you count the ones who never submit receipts on time. People hear internal audit and immediately imagine trouble. Like we are showing up with sirens and red pens and everything. But the truth is, we are more like doctors. We check your organization's health, find symptoms before they become serious, and give you a plan to stay fit. The goal isn't to catch up mistakes, it's to keep you safe from bigger ones. Once I walked into a department and you could feel the tension. Everyone suddenly became very busy looking at their screens. So I said, relax, I'm not here to find problems, I'm here to find solutions. Let's have a cup of coffee together. 5 minutes later, they were telling me about the real pain points: slow approvals, unclear roles, outdated policies. Without opening my laptop to take some notes, by the end of the audit, they were actually thankful. That's what happens when you replace fear with trust. Auditors don't build walls, we build bridges. We help connect teams, highlight blind points, and make sure everyone is going in the same direction. Fear blocks progress, but trust creates it. So next time you see internal audit walking in, don't hide your files, hide your stress. We are not here to blame, we are here to build better ways to work. Don't forget, we come in peace. Thank you for listening.